one I'm going to now is a Rheem water heater. This customer bought and installed his Home Depot Rheem, I think back about this time last year, I think the tank's maybe it's 2 years old. Not sure. But within the first year, yeah, he installed it in 19. Within the first year, I already replaced the gas valve. So I replaced it, or did I replace it last year? I can't remember. I already replaced the gas valve on it once. And now, I went back there the other day and the gas valve's bad again. The one Rheem sent out on a warranty. So, the guy's done with Rheem. He's like, forget it. Just give me a valve that will work and I don't have to worry about it. So, I'm going to go old school valve on it. Just put a White Rogers gas valve on it and a little piezo igniter, and we're gonna call it a day. So we're retrofitting with a different valve. We'll see how it works. This is the first time I've done this because people are getting sick of these Rheems. You know, Rheem gas valves are just failing. I don't know. I don't know if there's a recall on them or what. I'm not sure. And that was another thing. The customer didn't want to wait for his warranty valve to come in. So that's what we're going to do now. We'll get some video of it. So I think...
You don't mind if I stay here and watch you, do you?
What was that?
You don't mind if I stay in here and watch you, do you?
No, pull up a chair. Pull up a chair. Let's see. You got a bucket?
Yeah. I think there's one right here. Yep, here you go.
We're gonna do this without draining the tank.
How far are you gonna drain it down to?
I don't.
You don't?
I'm just gonna drain a little water off of it, not much.
You want a smaller bucket or does that one do?
Nope, that one's gonna do.
I got lots of tools, but I just don't use them anymore.
Okay. Oh, you come out of there, baby. Don't want to get water in that. Oh, shoot. Here's the old one. He still had it down here in a box. So we're going to put this bad boy in there. I'm going to have to go get a piece of black pipe to turn that out. Okay, we're going to do it on the fly. I got the water off. We're going to relieve pressure, pull that out.
See, our dang government keeps stepping on their own story, don't they?
All the time.
Actually, this new variant, I know enough about medicine, I work in the hospital, that it's the virus now putting out weaker mutations. That means it's running out of places to go.
Yeah.
They won't tell people that.
No, they don't want people to know that.
They want to keep them scared, don't they?
Yep. Oh, I got pressure there.
Our person can't even read off the prompter right. Did you see him yesterday?
I don't know. I didn't pay attention.
He stumbled on the words.
Still bumbling?
Huh?
You still bumbling?
Yeah. Go ahead. He embarrasses this country. Something terrible.
Well, yeah. Well, he probably thinks otherwise.
I think he's senile. I really do.
That's what a lot of people are saying.
Yeah, even some doctors are saying that. It's a handy outfit to tighten that with.
Yeah, it's just a piece of pipe.
Yeah.
Because I can't get the wrench back there.
No. Doesn't look like it'll take long to put that on there.
No. No, I try not to drain it. It depends on what kind of valve it is. If it's like the new style electronic valves, yeah, I'll drain the tank. But if it's one of these old school valves, I don't need to drain the tank.
In other words, any type of valve would work in there, right?
To a certain extent, yeah.
Looks like pretty standard fittings and everything. Is that 3/4?
What?
That's half, isn't it?
That goes in where?
The pipe in there.
This?
Yeah. No, I'm talking about...
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 1/2 inch.
I put my own sprinkler system in a few years ago. I used all half.
Well, then you use that poly pipe?
No, I use Schedule 40.
Oh, okay, so a 1/2 inch PVC Schedule 40?
Yeah.
That's fine.
That black stuff you put in the ground, I wouldn't trust it.
Oh, they've been using it for years.
I went big time, I used Schedule 40, that worked.
Well, you go with what you know.
Huh?
You go with what you know.
Yeah. I put that in 20 years ago. Still worked. Of course, if I lived in Port Huron, I couldn't have a sprinkler system.
Why, they don't let you have it for you?
No, they make you, they have meters. Mary's don't have any meters.
Oh, that's right, that's right. You guys get paid in your taxes or something?
We pay it with a water bill. We pay it with the sewage and trash pickup and everything on the same deal.
Yeah?
Yeah. You live up in Kimball or what?
No, I'm in St. Clair.
Oh, you live in St. Clair?
Yeah.
They have meters, don't they?
You know what? I'm out in the country, so I don't.
Oh, you got a well?
I got a well.
Oh, well, you're not affected then.
No.
I don't know if a sprinkling system would work real good with a well. You'd have to have a pump, wouldn't you?
I would just, if I was to put in a sprinkler system, I would just pump it out of my pond.
That's what I say. You'd use a pump, and yeah.
Yeah, because on my well, no, it wouldn't work very good.
Did you have a pond dug? Did you?
Yeah, my pond is. Let's see, I don't even know. My pond's like 70 by 200.
That's pretty good size.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
You got fish in it?
Oh yeah.
Did you ever go across Romeo Blank Road?
I used to live on Romeo Blank.
Almost every house across there on that one side has a pond, don't they?
Where?
On Romeo Blank Road.
I was down at 22 Mile.
Oh, pardon me. I don't mean Romeo Blank. I mean the one that goes into Armada by the fairgrounds. Armada Ridge.
Armada Ridge or Armada Center.
Yeah. They have lots of ponds across there. They must have got a deal on them.
They're not cheap to build, you know. I mean that came pond came with the house.
Yeah.
My kids fish, swim in it.
Oh, swim in it too.
Oh yeah. They love it.
Is it spring fed?
No, I just keep it aerated and clean. Yeah.
Mentioned some of the people that out there got geothermal heating too.
Yeah, we still see some of it.
Marysville High School's got geothermal heating, the new one.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I watched them put it in. They have 3 fields. Parking lot, baseball diamond, and the other side of the going in by the pool. They got.
Yeah, they would have to have a big system for that.
Of course, they still got to use the gas and everything to heat their water, heat the pool and stuff. Still have to have separate. They can't heat the pool with it.
They could.
Well, they have showers too. You have to have. Maybe they could heat the pool, but I don't know if we could recover for the showers that fast, you know, with the gym classes and the athletic.
I'm not sure what kind of system they got going on over there.
Yeah, they can control every room separately in school.
Back on.
Rick the nerd had the maintenance department. He showed me through it one time. Invited me over to look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's controlled over on 14th Street in their maintenance building.
Oh yeah, they control like
it's even in the school.
Like the fire station over there, that's controlled somewhere. I don't know where they control it from.
I smell some gas yet.
Yeah, I just opened up the gas just to bleed it out. Ooh yeah, baby.
Used to be a big joke. You find a gas line, you light a match, see what. you find the leak.
Yeah, you find the leak real quick.
What's that blower on the furnace. It's stuck up, is it?
What was that?
That blower changes speed automatically on the furnace.
Yeah.
Does it have more than one heat exchanger?
Yes.
There's something at night. I could probably light that pilot myself. I hope I don't have to. Oh boy. Yeah, my grandson come to live with me to keep me company, but I don't see much.
You don't see him? How old is he?
22.
Oh no, you're not going to see him.
I
He's out and about.
He works down in Pontiac.
Oh wow. What does he do?
He works for a mortgage company.
United Wholesale or something?
Yeah, the wholesale mortgage.
Yeah.
He loves it.
I got my mortgage through there.
United Wholesale Mortgage.
Yeah, that's where I got my.
They got a bunch of buildings in the same area right there.
Yeah, it's a big company.
9100.
Yeah, it's a big company.
He working for him 2 weeks and they give him a $4 an hour raise.
It's supposed to be one of the best companies to work for.
Oh, he just loves the CEO. He comes around and talks to people. And
Yeah. All right, as you can tell, that guy was a little older. He's one of my customers. I've been out there doing maintenance on his furnace, his AC. He's had problems with his water heater. I've been out there numerous times for his water heater, brand new water heater. And so this time I told him, I go, we're just going to bypass Rheem, you know, pay me for the valve and a half an hour labor, and I'll just put an old school valve on it. We'll call it a day, and it'll probably work better than the stupid one you get from Rheem. So that's what I did. I probably won't have any problems with it again. It does have some venting problems though. Him and his son, I think, installed that tank originally, and the chimney liner comes like 4 foot out of the chimney. It connects to some 3-inch, and honestly I think I told him the liner should be changed. The guy's 91 years old. Well, he's gonna be 91 next month. That's what he said. He's gonna be 91. He's like, yeah, if we need to change it, we need to change it, but we'll wait and see. That's what he said. So got it up and running, and on that old style valve, it had the cutout for the pilot. That Rheem tank didn't have it, or yeah, it's for the limit. Those wires run to the limit that I cut, so I just cut it, wire nutted together, and I had a little piezo igniter that I had left over, because the piezo igniter on that Rheem valve is integrated into the valve and can't reuse it. So I had an extra piezo igniter. I just wire tied that, threw it behind the valve. So if you gotta light the darn thing, you just light it up, and you know, with a little piezo igniter. But that should work good for him. Unfortunately, that gentleman just lost his wife in, I think, March or May, and so this is his first holiday season coming up without his wife. So he was married to her for 60 years. So he's talking to me about that. He's a little down about that, but he's an upbeat guy. He'll be fine. He's got good family, so that's a good thing. Gotta have your family. So that's my solution to the gas valve problem Rheem has. Just get an old school White Rogers or whatever the heck it is and plop it in there and call it a day. They'll probably be way more reliable than anything else. Alright guys, I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.